Alright, I'm going to show you how I made this animation. And I might, in this video, make it even better than what I showed you in the previous video. Alright, so first I started them off like just standing there. Then I started animating him and getting his punch ready. And I added him moving. He was getting ready for his punch. And I like to do this because it make it feel like this is the power punch, and I like to give him more animation. And then he doing his punch, but Saitama goes behind him, and now Saitama is doing his punch. So then I animated him doing his punch. Then this part is stayed the same with the characters, but I just had to go to the side and add Saitama over here. And then I just moved Saitama a little bit and add the punch getting bigger. And then getting bigger again. Then it got big enough, and then this part I added him punching him. I added 2 parts of it because it looked too quick. And then he's flying now. And then I moved the camera. So the same camera that was previously over here, I deleted it so I can add this part. Then it's just flying, flew into the wall. Now in this video, I'm going to add more animation to it, make it seem more better. Alright, so first we're going to do, so as he's in the wall, I'm going to make his hands go down, just like that. Now we're going to go all the way from the beginning. We're not going to do that stick. We're going to add his punch looking more like I'm going to add it like more closer. Then he's going to do this. So then I'm going to make it be like closer. So then this part could be a little bit closer. Arm extending a little bit. No, I'm going to keep it the same. I'm going to put it right there. Then that part, I'm going to add animation to the back of his arm now. Oh, and after I did that, wait, did I show my punch again? Yeah, and then after that, I'm going to add animation to his feet because this is how it looks. So this, I'm going to put it like a little bit closer because I want it to look like he's moving in like human motion. Then I'm going to do this, put it a little bit closer. I'm going to add animation to him being just like that on that foot. Okay, then he's going to be able to do that. Then I'm going to put him looking up. You know what, I'm going to just put this like that. Then okay, now I'm going to add animation to his back, his side arm. Then I'm going to see how, well, let's see how it looks so far. Is this a little bit too quick? because I couldn't add another part to it. Okay, I'm going to add another part to this part. I'm going to put it like him moving his arm a little bit forward. Alright, so now I think this animation is actually getting pretty good. So now I'm going to like add animation to the back or his side arm. So yeah, put that just like that in the front, a little bit back. Then we're gonna see about that. Then we're going to do just like this. Put it more to the back. Then since his arm is right there, I'm gonna move it to more to the back. Move it just like this though. Gonna add it to the back more, so then you can see that his arm is going back. Then I'm going to do this. Okay. I don't want to make it look like he's switching arms, so I'm just going to do this instead. Because see, it's looking like he's going to switch arms. So I'm going to make this be a little bit more back, like right here. Then going to add this. It's going to, so this whole point of this right here is to make his arm just go backwards, like going back at him. Then yeah, I keep it just like that. Should I change like this over here because his arm really wasn't right there, so I should just do this. And then again, but it's gonna show. Actually, no, I'm gonna just keep it just like how it is. Now I'm going to change the position of it. Okay, then I'm going to add a little animation of wind to this. So now I'm going to edits, didn't know. I want to add wind to, wait, animation FPS, wait, what does this do? Does it make it be like more realistic though? Let's see. No, I think it just like slows this down. Okay, yeah, I like how this looks, but I'm going to make it go down some. We're going to keep it at 13. Alright, this animation is going to have sound to it, so I want to add sound. But that's pretty much the end of this video. So, wait, no, it's not going to be the end of this video because I'm going to figure out how to add that stuff to it. I'm going to pause the video right quick. I couldn't find it, guys, so I saved the animation, and yeah, that's the end of this video. Bye.